Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image in PowerPoint without background. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this picture drop down menu and choose this device. Now go to your file location. Choose this picture and click insert. You can resize this picture what size you want. You can move anywhere this picture on this slide. You can see I insert image in PowerPoint without background. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.